What's up, everybody? You join me in my brother's GTR. Yes, you can see the nice plush leather and Alcantara all around me. He's just filling up fuel. I am driving shotgun today. We're on our way over to Meguiars. Now I'm hoping this will be a good day because I would love to meet Dustin Williams. He's one of the few YouTubers that I would actually genuinely try to meet. Everything he does, the trips to Japan, all of his JDM car builds and everything is just, you know, it's the kind of level that I wish I could get my YouTube channel to and, you know, be able to do stuff like that. But, yeah, we're on our way over to Meguiars. My car's, I mean, in all fairness, my brother just about got the ticket to go and we'll just go in his car. I didn't want to take my car. I would love to take my car, but I thought, let's just jump into this. It's a bit more prepared for this kind of an event, and we'll be able to have a good look around and maybe see some cool cars and hopefully get to meet Dustin. So yeah, here's to a good day. Hopefully see you guys. Well, brother's just finished filling up, so yeah, see you guys on the road, and maybe if we see any cool cars I'll record it. Otherwise I'll see you guys at Meguiars. Go. Meguiars sign. It says it's there.
I might go forward and just see.
Is it there? Yeah, this looks more. Yeah, it's there. It's down the right.
There's the guy as well. There's your Dustin guy.
Ah, sick! It is Dustin. Yo!
You wanna jump out?
That's mad.
You gonna get out?
Okay, one second. Passages.
Yeah, you just keep it, yeah.
I can't believe it.
What's up, dude?
Hey, you alright?
Good to see you again.
How's it going, Dustin? You alright?
What's up, man?
This is my brother's, but he'll be the one that you can go through.
What color is this?
Porsche oak green metallic with a custom interior that we did of the family during COVID time.
Custom interior?
Yeah, it's open. You can have a look inside as well. My dad used to work for
Porsche GTR here.
Jump pretty far.
Yeah?
Seats a bit forward for you, but
34 steering wheel?
yes, modernizes it a little bit because the 33 is too old.
What a beautiful car, man.
Thank you, appreciate it. You've seen a lot over the years as well, so.
It's very different from your builds.
I'm trying not to forget.
Yeah, that's alright. I'll keep it nice for you. Used to be from the 34. Apparently it's near 40 kit for the front. I'm not sure the rear, but it's got caliper for the front, so it's got good stopping power.
Yeah, for real. How much power does this thing make?
620 at the crank. GTS S turbos, the step 1 V.
Nice.
Then I had a business grow, and then I had a kid, and everyone's laughing at me, being like, "The kid's gonna be the one that finishes the E30F." But
How cool would that be?
I mean, I hope I don't have to wait that long. But
My niece is only like
7 months.
7 months old.
Oh, okay.
Wait. So pretty much right after this, went in to line up and get to actually see Dustin, which you can see clips of me on his YouTube video. And then we got to look around his new Z3M, which is such a cool car. That's sick. That's a lot of extra gauges. It's got a lot of things done to it. It's got a lot of extra gauges in there, which makes me think.
Lovely interior.
It smells really good in there, I can't lie. That is so cool. You could just see his luggage in the back. I just noticed it and I was like, hey. After that, I decided to have a quick look around all the other cars in the showroom, and they do not disappoint. To protect and shine. Jeez. Yeah, literally, it's been what, about 16 years since I last came to the Meguiars headquarters here. Completely different to what it was like before. I swear their bay was like right towards the back, not at the front here, but could have been. Actually, no, it was that front one. Just that one there. Oh, one guy called Alex. He had his 33 washed in front of everyone. Yeah, it's a cool little Ford. Big group of people. 3 series. E21. Very nice. Oh, look at that. Proper wide body. Huh. I get easily distracted. Look at that barrel. That's so cool. Yeah, man. Sorry. No, it's alright, it's no problem. Oh, 32. Ooh. Okay, all the cars are out. Over here now. Oh no, I'm glad I didn't bring my 30, this will show me up. But that's basically my 2 cars. My 2 main project cars. Mad. Beautiful RX-7. Yes, Celsius. Hey. Oh, this is really clean as well. Oh, it's got leather retrim. Literally the complete opposite vibe to mine. But let's have a look at this RX-7. Right, okay, this food is actually halal, which is sick. I was literally just saying how most food places nowadays don't have halal food. So yeah, that looks boss. A lot of stance cars here today. Beautiful S15, that looks stunning. EP3, Skoda, Fiesta. Oh, a Core Type S over there. One thing I didn't expect is how many other people here are YouTubers, which is kind of funny. Seeing a lot of people like filming over there and stuff like that. It's cool. Might make some introductions, but nice. Okay, let's go back into looking at cars. Evo. This is cool. I've been tempted by one of these as a family car, but I don't think my wife would like it, especially because we're getting a bit used to luxury. This is definitely up my street. Price point on these is really good, and they're still modern enough. Another Evo. Good old Ford. Oh, FN2 Type. Oh, yes. This is a Tokyo Drift Rep 350Z. That looks really good. These sound amazing. So NA, I'm guessing S15 because I can't see an intercooler. Yeah, auto as well. Still really cool. These cars are worth so much now. And you got this. I didn't even know that the cities were made this modern. I just knew the older generation. This is so cool. Literally when this drove in, everyone was like, what is that? Big part of me is regretting not bringing my 32. Just would have been nice to just have it out, do some content with that, but it's all good. Came my brother's car, and it's not like I didn't get any love in that car. Everyone's been up and looking around the car. Oh, I didn't even look at this little K-truck. Look at this guy. Oh, little advance. I think I love Japanese things a little bit too much.
This is called attack. But knowing what I know now, so the SDX is a Ford.
I just saw the...
That's probably the one to get, an SDX. I think they both do it too.
Is that the oil cooler at the front, or is that the radiator?
The radiator.
That is so tiny.
Yeah, that is it.
Oh,
That's
that is so cool.
yeah, I made the little lip for it because it needed something like that.
It's a bit of a curb though, so
You might be able to put in the RX-7 or behind the Honda.
It's just really dirty.
yeah. You could tell he doesn't. Yeah, he's not baby in the car. He's like, nah, just let's go. That's how we are.
Now you've left. Right, now you're leaving. Now go to the right. Yeah, no, reverse plan. Go again. Actually, I'll just stop. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! 3. Second. Take it a couple. 1, 2, 3. Really quickly, I want to say thank you. This is the craziest thing of my entire life. I am across the world, and it means the world that you guys take the time to come out from wherever you came from, come see us here at Meguiars. Thank you to Meguiars for hosting us and detailing my very, very dirty car. But no, this is just amazing, and I couldn't do what I do without you guys coming out here. So thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Yeah. Okay, now it's a great car.
This Sora looks so cool.
I don't watch it. But yeah, like
Crazy that. About 16 years ago, I've been in that exact same spot. We did detail with some GTRs. Look how different the space is now. Wild. I'm gonna try and get another picture with Dustin. Hey.
I'm just happy that
That's so cool. Man, he's such a chill guy.
awesome, man. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you.
What they want because that's their life.
that's a cool photo.
Aww.
That's so cool. Sounds so good.
Yeah, G-Force 8 pop.
didn't actually look at this 33 over here. I need to try and have a quick look. Just reminds me of that time when I came here all those years ago. Oh, is that the car in the magazine or something? Yeah. That's cool. 2009. And it looks pretty much exactly like it did back then. That's really cool. Been a pretty awesome day, to be honest. So happy to have met Dustin. One of the very few YouTubers that I genuinely would love to have met, and now I have. And honestly, he's such a chill guy, such a genuine guy, and I think that's the nicest thing about meeting someone like that. He just seems so cool, but he is definitely busy. He's got to be in so many places at once. All right, let's carry on. I think we're gonna head off home soon. Did you turn the thing up? Yo, people, just this is what on a GTR to have headlights like this, man. Oh my god, that is unbelievably bright. Ooh, whoa. Even like at this point it's nice, but whoa, these headlights are sick. Wow, in my 32 it's like so bad. Yeah. This is actually so good. Even this is acceptable.